Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to be making a Christmas obelisk. If you like this kind of thing, reusing recycled materials, please subscribe and hit like. So here I am at a work site collecting some of our materials, the metal straps. We did get permission from the superintendent to do this, and if you're planning on doing this at a work site, please get permission first because they can be very dangerous. So here I am in our little backyard painting area. I've got my red metal rust paint, and it's red of course for Christmas. And all you have to do is put a nice even coat on it. As you can see here, not too close, not too far away. And try to get a nice even stroke so you don't waste a lot of paint, because paint is expensive. So there we are, we'll just do one side, wait for that to dry, and then we'll do the other side. There, now that the strips are all painted, I'm going to measure them all so we get the right measurement for the size of obelisks that we want. So I'm lining them all up, measuring once or twice before cutting once, so I don't have to cut too many times. When you're measuring your strips, 54 inches is about the maximum you want to go, so you get a nice ball shape. If they're too long, then they're too hard to handle and the balls really don't hold up in a nice spherical shape. So here I am also measuring the middles and the ends so I can put my joint holes in later. So when you're doing your measuring, you want one hole in the center, so you measure halfway through. And then you want another hole at each end, about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch from the end, so that when you have holes to join it all together. And we're using a screwdriver or a punch, something to dent the metal a bit so that when you do drill, the drill bit is not going to be sliding all over the place, and it'll make it a lot easier. So there, as you can see, the drilling is a whole lot easier when you have the hole punched. We have a lot of other DIY obelisk videos for you to peruse on our channel as well. Feel free to check those out. There we go. I think I'm almost finished drilling everything. As you can see here, I have what I use is a box so I can hold all the metal shavings in it, and I have two old cutting boards, plastic cutting boards. You have two of them, about 1/4 of an inch each, so about 1/2 inch, so that you're not drilling into your table. There we go. Now that the drilling is all done, we get a drawer pull, and we put that on first. And that goes through the center hole. There we go. Once the top is put on, you'll get another screw and nut and start the bottom. So you want to do this one strip at a time. So you'll take one strip, join them together, take another strip, join those ends together until you're all done. There, now all the ends are together. You'll want to tighten that nut, but don't tighten it too much, otherwise you won't be able to open it up into the ball shape that we're looking for. As you can see, I'll have to loosen the top a bit, that way I can open it up. And there we go, one Christmas obelisk, ready to go. Please join us for part 2 of this on our channel coming up, and we'll have the decoration of it. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you soon.